Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Proton Mail account in 2025. For that, first of all, you need to open your web browser, and here you need to simply visit to the official website of Proton Mail, which is Proton Mail. So you can simply search for protonmail.com and then you will be landed on this page. Now you can see the extension is different. It can be protonmail.me. So you just have to simply come on this page. Now click on this get Proton Mail option, and you can even click on create free account. Now it will show all of the plans that you can choose in order to use Proton Mail, but since you want to use our free account, you will have to select it and then click on start using Proton Mail now. Or if you want to create your account, simply click on create your account. Here you need to set a username for your account and then provide a strong password for your account. Then click on the option of start using Proton Mail now, and once you do this, in some time you will be redirected on this page, where from this page you will be able to basically access all of your mails, and this will be the username and the email that Proton Mail is going to generate for you, and this is how you can start using it very easily. If this video helped you out, be sure to like, share and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.